How to solve the quadratic equations problem in PhotoMath app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the PhotoMath app. After you've installed the app, launch the app on your phone. When you launch the app, it will directly open up the camera for you. From here, you can directly scan the problem that you want to solve. So in order to solve the quadratic equations, first of all, find the quadratic equation that you want to solve, and you need to point the camera into that problem. You need to capture that problem from this app. For example, I have few quadratic equations problem over here. I'll simply point the camera to the problem and make sure the problem is within this rectangle frame. Now you can capture this. And there you go. It has instantly come up with the solutions of this quadratic equation. You can check out the solutions and its steps. If you want to see the step-by-step solutions, you can tap on the Show Solving Steps button and it will give you the explanation of each steps. If you want to further elaborate any steps, you can simply tap on that particular step and this is how the steps will be explained. So that's a very easy process to solve the quadratic equations from PhotoMath app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.